Hi, everybody. It's Professor Profitt, and I have a question for the entire class. Are you ready? First of all, I just want to let you know Archimedes is here because I asked for a definition, and he's the best on definitions. So, we're going to start today sight words. Sight words. Is that words you use your eyes to do? No, it's what you use your brain to do. Up here. Sight words are those words that are so recognizable. You recognize them right away that your brain goes, oh, that's a sight word. So we're going to start today on sight words. It's going to be Sight Words 101, Lesson 1. And what we're going to try to do is just start out slow and let's get real good at it. And I'm a slow learner, so you guys put up with Professor Profitt because I want to make sure we get all the words right and that you guys see them the way you need to see them in your mind's eye. Okay, let's start with just 2 letters, all right? When your mother asks you about something a chore, does she ask you to do it? D-O. D-O. So it's do, D-O. Okay? Now, how about if someone says, who's that coming? Is, I-S. Who is that? Is. So you need to know that when you see it, you go, oh yeah, that's is, sure. Just like you do when you see do. Okay? How about where you at? At. I bet you people ask you all the time where you're at. Your mom, your parents, your teachers, everybody. Well, at. A-T. Now look at it real close. Look at it. Get it, kiddos? It's at. Put it up in your mind's eye. Put your eyes up in your top of your head, and so that you can see that chalkboard in your head or your visions of a place that you remember. At. That's at that spot. And then, how about, do you do things all alone, or do you do them by your friends? By, B-Y. And this isn't when you go buy something. That's B-U-Y. This is by. This is, your house is by Jimmy's house. Jimmy's house is by your house. Get it? B-Y. I even have an assignment for you when we're done with this one, kiddos. You can always go to Grandpa Ken's Facebook page or his YouTube page to look up stuff he's doing. And Professor Profitt will always be around to give you two. There's other ways you use two, but we'll get used to it. Get used to it. Get used to it. Got it? Got it. Remember, you can come back anytime you want and we'll do it again. And I love you guys. A-N. And there's another sight word is A. That is a apple, speaking of singular, just one. If you're looking at a bunch, it's look at an apple bunch. See, A-N. But it's A-N. You remember that, right? Well, I hope so. How about he? He was the one that taught you what you needed to know. Your dad, or maybe a school teacher. He, that's a man, a male, a person that wants to be called he, H-E. Okay, now I want to go and let's do something that we're going to do in lesson 2, in lesson 3, and whatever. And that is, I want you to start looking on TV, on your tablet, wherever you're at, start looking for words that we did today, like he See if you can't find some place where it said he ran or he. How about Ann? Look and see if you can see it, Ann. Okay, on a sign maybe. Maybe on a sign you could, to the bathroom, huh? To, that's important to know where to go. And you need to know by who you're going to be sitting, by who. Look for BY. Look, and when you see it, you can tell your mom, your dad, or your teacher, you can say, I learned a sight word. It's why I was at Grandpa Ken's tutoring. And I do, D-O, like it, and it is fun. Kiddos, we're going to keep this up because it's important, and Grandpa Ken wants to help you just learn these words. So come on back. You can replay it and do it again. And remember, just look up, close your eyes, and see the words. That's called in your mind's eye. Bye, kiddos. Professor Profitt loves you, and I hope I'm helping.